The DJI Mavic 4 is sending shockwaves through the drone community. Whispers of a transformative overhaul, sparking widespread anticipation. As rumors and leaked intel emerge, a compelling narrative unfolds, one of a drone that has been meticulously refined to deliver unparalleled performance. At its core, Mavic 4 boasts a sleeker, more aerodynamic design, expertly crafted to slice through the air with increased agility and precision. This revamped aesthetic is merely the beginning, as the Mavic 4 also promises to elevate camera performance to dizzying heights. With a rumored Hasselblad-branded triple camera system and upgraded sensors, this drone is poised to capture life's moments with breathtaking clarity and depth. But that's not all. Enhanced features and increased battery life round out the package, making the Mavic 4 a force to be reckoned with in the drone world. As the release date draws near, one thing is certain: DJI Mavic 4 is an upgrade that will leave a lasting impact. Design and maneuverability. The DJI Mavic 4 showcases a meticulously redesigned body, engineered to optimize maneuverability and flight time. By shedding excess weight, the Mavic 4 achieves a sleek and agile form, tipping the scales at under 900 grams. This deliberate design choice unlocks enhanced responsiveness, allowing the drone to dart and weave with increased precision. Visibility is also a key consideration, with integrated LED beacons illuminating the drone's presence during nocturnal flights. This thoughtful feature ensures the Mavic 4 remains visible to the naked eye, even in the darkest environment. Content creators will rejoice at the dual micro SD card slots and expanded internal storage, providing a vast repository for their aerial masterpiece. With ample storage at their disposal, users can capture and store more footage than ever before, making the Mavic 4 an ideal companion for extended shoots or high frame rate recording sessions. Camera upgrades. The DJI Mavic 4 boasts a significantly enlarged gimbal setup, expertly designed to accommodate a cutting-edge Hasselblad-branded triple camera system. This formidable configuration is bolstered by upgraded sensors and optics, guaranteeing remarkable enhancements in resolution, dynamic range, and low light. Potential upgrade to an APS-C format sensor further cements the Mavic 4's status as a camera behemoth, offering unparalleled image quality and depth. Meanwhile, advanced zoom capabilities empower users to capture subjects with precision and clarity, even from a distance. This synergistic combination of technologies ensures the Mavic 4 is poised to deliver breathtaking aerial footage, rivaling the quality of high-end cinematography. With its camera prowess, the Mavic 4 is set to revolutionize the world of aerial photography and videography, offering content creators and professionals an unmatched tool to capture life's most stunning moment. Features and autonomy. The DJI Mavic 4 redefines aerial exploration with its advanced autonomous flight modes, empowering users to capture complex shots with ease. Improved obstacle avoidance algorithms and enhanced tracking capabilities ensure a seamless and intuitive flying experience, making it an exemplary choice for both seasoned professionals and enthusiastic amateurs. The Mavic 4's innovative design extends to its user-swappable payloads, allowing users to effortlessly replace or upgrade components as needed. This forward-thinking approach ensures improved repairability, reduced downtime, and future-proofing for emerging technology. With the ability to adapt and evolve, the Mavic 4 remains at the forefront of aerial innovation, providing unparalleled creative freedom and versatility for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. By streamlining workflows and expanding possibilities, the Mavic 4 solidifies its position as a game-changing tool in the world of aerial photography and videography. Battery and charging. An upgraded battery promises increased flight time, while larger batteries than the Mavic 3 and USB-C ports directly on the batteries simplify charging. Release and pricing. The DJI Mavic 4 is slated for a fall 2024 release, generating immense excitement among drone enthusiasts. With a projected price point comparable to or slightly exceeding the Mavic 3's launch price of $2,199, this cutting-edge drone is positioned to capture a significant share of the global market. As the release date draws near, anticipation builds around the Mavic 4's potential to revolutionize aerial photography and videography. As we eagerly await the Mavic 4's arrival, stay tuned for in-depth updates, expert insights, and hands-on reviews. Will this highly touted drone meet the lofty expectations surrounding it? Only time will reveal the answer. One thing is certain, however, DJI Mavic 4 is poised to leave an indelible mark on the drone industry, and its impact will be felt worldwide. Join us as we count down to the release and uncover the secrets of this game-changing drone.